At GoGreen, sustainability isn't just a promise. It's an innovation-driven revolution. Join us in transforming waste into worth with Eternal, the sustainable carbon. Backed by over 50 years of expertise, our team of engineers, designers, and specialists deploy cutting-edge techniques to deliver complete solutions. Globally, over 1 billion tires reach their end annually, posing environmental and health risks. But at GoGreen, we see an opportunity. At the heart of our mission is a commitment to conserving the environment for future generations. Our process starts by treating each tire, preparing it for a new life. Through advanced pyrolysis, we not only recycle tires but also harness sustainable carbon black, reducing waste and lowering carbon emissions. Our groundbreaking process transforms end-of-life tires into eternal carbon, a revolutionary product that can significantly replace virgin carbon black in various applications. Our eternal carbon black is versatile, enhancing rubber products with improved durability, resistance, and performance. Beyond rubber, Eternal enhances plastics, paints, and coatings, offering improved pigmentation and UV protection. Eternal carbon finds its way into a multitude of end uses, from tires and automotive rubber parts to hose pipes, rubber mats, rubber and plastic master batch, and conveyor belts. Its versatility makes it an ideal choice for a range of applications, promoting a circular economy. GoGreen Eternal is not only ecological but also economical, sustainable, and unique. By choosing Eternal, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in a sustainable future. The future is circular. Join GoGreen in adopting sustainable practices that keep our planet healthy. Let's collaborate and scale up the use of Eternal, the sustainable carbon,